What's going on, buddy? Crypto Kid here, coming at us again with another video. We're talking Aero today. First time featured on the channel, Aero Aerodrome Finance. If you've been following the Twitter, we were talking this one up all the way from 8 cents. Today, it has officially climbed over 13 cents for what appears to be the first time ever. So that's an all-time high today. I was avoiding talking about it just because it was such a small market cap, small project. But at this point, it looks like it might start to become pretty relevant pretty soon. So like we were saying, some people say it's basically like the pancake swap of Base. That's like Coinbase's new project Base. I don't know if that's true. I'm more of just tokenomics. I look at the trends and whatnot. And all I know is, honestly, shout out my guys in Blockchain Club at my college. They put me onto it. They're like, yo, check this one out. And so I just looked into the token, checked out, the supply, some metrics, some social engagement, and I was like, damn, the risk return on this is amazing. We have it at, like I was saying, 8 cents. It was around a $10 million market cap. One of the top projects on Base, and not much volume. And then suddenly, once a week, it felt like randomly there'd be 2 million in volume, 3 million in volume. And then this week in particular, there was 3 million 3 separate times, and it was trying to break through that 12-cent barrier. And then today, it just rocketed through, and as I'm speaking, it's rocketing through. So as an investor, this is not financial advice, but I will say, short term, this is extremely risky. You could essentially lose, up to 40% over the next couple of days. You could also, you might miss the run up, if you don't have some exposure to it. So it is definitely a risk. I'll say there is more upside than downside. And then in the long term, as long as Base doesn't lose momentum, this one should be golden to just keep going up. So I'll say, $100 million market cap is really not that much in the crypto space, especially in a bull run. That kind of just gets tossed out like nobody's business. So, and that's a 5X. It's at a $20 million market cap right now. That's a clean 5X, even from current prices, even with it on the rise. So we're talking about, I believe that's around, 70 cents? If it's at 13 right now, what is that, 65 cents? Would be 500% gains right now. That's 100 million market cap. So I think in the long term, medium to long term, this is honestly a really fun coin. I definitely want some exposure to it. And I think you guys, should definitely consider it. I mean, look into it. I'm not going to tell you one way or the other to invest, obviously. I don't want to be responsible if you guys lose money, but, I really like the project. The UI is pretty solid. And like I said, it's backed by Coinbase Ventures. There's a couple green flags. And when you find a market cap this low, and it's not just a shit coin, it actually has, legitimate partnerships and people backing it, which Coinbase Ventures, it doesn't get much more legit than that. It's a great project. You also might want to check out Velodrome, which is basically what it got forked from. So yeah, I would check out both of those coins. Velo is a little bit higher, probably a little less room to run, and definitely a lot less volume. But I think after the PNG, Pangolin went up a couple 100% in a day, and it's actually still going. This honestly feels like it might be the next one. So, go ahead. Let me know if you guys know about it in the comments. Obviously, if you're looking up this video, you probably know a thing or two. So maybe you can help me in my understanding of it. I'm going to keep diving into it and give you guys a more educational video down the line. This is just kind of a brief introduction to it, start the conversation. So anyways, guys, make sure to like, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.